friends, a very good morning to one and all. Welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, we'll learn what is fundamental analysis. Whenever you hear people mention fundamentals, they are really talking about the economic fundamentals of a currency's host country. Economic fundamentals cover a vast collection of information, whether in the form of economic, political, or environmental reports, data, announcements, or events. Fundamental analysis is the use and study of these factors. It is the study of what's going on in the world and around us. Economically and financially speaking, and it tends to focus on how macroeconomic elements such as the growth of the economy, inflation, unemployment affect whatever we are trading. Fundamental data and its many forms. Fundamental analysis involves studying economic trends and geographical events, geopolitical events that might affect currency prices. In other words, it's a study of financial news and economic data. The most important economic data to watch for include interest rates, inflation, GDP, gross domestic product, and employment data. When a piece of economic data is released, fundamental analysis provides insight into how price action should or may react to a certain economic event. Fundamental data takes shape in many different forms. It can appear as a report released by the Fed on US existing home sales. It can also exist in the possibility that the European Central Bank will change its monetary policy. The release of this data to the public often changes the economic landscape, or better yet, the economic mindset, creating a reaction from investors and speculators. There are even instances when no specific report has been released, but the anticipation of such a report happening is another example of fundamentals. Speculations of interest rate hikes can be priced in hours or even days before the actual interest rate statement. In fact, currency pairs have been known to sometimes more 100 pips just moments before major economic news, making for a profitable time to trade for the brave. That is why many forex traders are often on their toes prior to certain economic releases, and you should be too. Generally, economic indicators make up a large portion of data used in fundamental analysis, like a fire alarm sounding when it detects smoke. Economic indicators provide some insight into how well a country's economy is doing. While it's important to know the numerical value of an indicator, equally as important is the market's expectation of that value. Understanding the resulting impact of the actual figure in relation to the forecasted figure is the most important part. These factors all need consideration when deciding to trade. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds, and you won't need to know rocket science to figure it all out. Fundamental analysis is a valuable tool in estimating the future conditions of an economy, but not so much for predicting currency price direction. This type of analysis has a lot of gray areas because fundamental information in the form of reports, economic data releases, or monetary policy change announcement is vaguer than actual technical indicators. Analysis of economic releases and reports of fundamental data usually goes something like this. An interest rate increase of that percentage may cause the euro to go up. The US dollar should go down with an indicator value in that range. Consumer confidence dipped 2% since